Hi guys, today you are going to be going through removing backgrounds in Photoshop so it looks like this. And I want you to complete this prior to Friday's class. So you have all of class today, and then you have tonight, and then also Thursday. So your assignment will look like this. Okay, so start by making a list of all the items you need to collect from the internet for each bedroom you just designed. So from our last assignment, we just designed the teenage bedroom, a kid's bedroom, guest bedroom, and a master bathroom. So what I mean by collect images or to create a list, if you look at the image right here, okay, we have a couch we need to collect an image of. We have two pieces of art we need to collect images of, and also lighting. Okay, so this space is very simple. You might have put a lot of detail into your space. I hope that you did. And so therefore you'll have more things to collect. So you'll start by creating that list first, okay? Then down here, number 2 says once you've created your list, start collecting images from the internet. So you're gonna go online and let's say I know for sure I want this couch to be like a yellow leather. I'm gonna try to look for a couch that's very similar to that. But do not get hung up on what you put in Homestyler. Homestyler is mostly for what you have done to plan the space as opposed to what you did for the design. Okay, so Homestyler is more for layout, and then our images we're going to collect and do with our next project will be more for how are you designing the space. Okay, so let's say I didn't love these pieces of art here, but I put them there as a placeholder. I'm going to go online and now find 2 pieces of art I actually would put into this space. Okay, so now is your time to really design the space based on the images you collect. And then it says now that you've collected your images, start removing backgrounds in Photoshop. If you already know how to do that, amazing. If you don't, there's a video down here for you to watch. It's very simple. Help each other, trial and error, look up other YouTube videos if you need, okay? And then at the end of the video, it's gonna show you a colored background or a background that is invisible, and it's going to look like a checkered gray and white background, okay? And that is what I want you to save your image with, is that gray and white checkered background. That's a no background. When you go to save, it's just like exporting in InDesign. Instead of saving, which would give you a Photoshop file, you need to export as a PNG, okay? That allows the image to keep that invisible background that you removed, okay? When you're doing this with all of your images, my suggestion would be to go into your space. So let's say this is my folder for my assignment. I would create a new folder and name it like teenage bedroom, okay? That's where I can save all of my images that I collect from the internet. Then I would create an additional folder that is like PNG teenage bedroom. That way, when in Photoshop, I export those photos to this folder. So in the future for your assignments, you know which one will be the invisible background and which ones will have a background, okay? So that's what I want you to work on today. If you have questions, please help each other. Email me. I'm really sorry I'm not there, but I will help you if you need it, so please reach out. And I want you to have all the backgrounds removed prior to class on Friday so we can move on to the next step of our project. Okay, that's it, you guys. Have a wonderful day. I will see you on Friday.